Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make posters on Gelato. So you need to create an account here in Gelato, and then in order for you to create that one, you must have your design ready, or you can do that inside Gelato and use Gelato tools. So what you're going to do here is create an account, sign up, and complete your store profile. You can choose a platform for integrated Etsy, Shopify, Amazon. In the search bar, you have to search for art wall or posters, since we'll be doing posters, or you're going to make posters on Gelato. So search for posters right here, select a specific template or design, and then tap on start designing. Now here, you can choose your preferred product for poster, which is this one. You can now start designing. You can use the product editor or upload your design. You can also use Canva for creating design, but you can also create posters using Gelato tools. So all you have to do is go to the left side. You can see here different tools to create or to design, like stickers, or if you want to add text. There are also different fonts right here and effects. All you have to do is to add. And again, if you want to change this one and use other third-party application or tools, editing tools like Canva, yes, you can. All you have to do is to upload the design right here. So this is what it looks like if you use Gelato design. I know that you can do better than this, but this is what it looks like. So now you can just basically save this as template or add to order. So I'm going to show you also the picture, the image that I have created using Canva. This is what it looks like. And you can also create your own and upload it right here. So in Canva, just create a design and then look for posters. You will see different designs for posters right here. Share and then download. After that, go back to Gelato and then upload this image, add it to your poster. And basically that's it. So that's how to make posters on Gelato. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.